Hello children, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine, staying safe at home. Today we are going to learn about second class EVS, second lesson, that is food for us. The lesson is about food. So children, all of you open your textbooks. So every day we have to include all these food items in our diets, in our regular routine food. So let us have a look on this. So we have how many meals we have a day? Yes, we have 3 meals of a day. So what are the 3 meals of a day? The morning meal it is called as breakfast, and the afternoon meal it is called as lunch, and the night meals is called as dinner. The first meal, morning, we used to have breakfast. So when we are eating the breakfast, we should not eat some little breakfast. Oh mummy, time up, I have to go to school now. Oh, I have to go to office now. So like that we should not do. So morning breakfast must be stomach full. So why? Because this morning breakfast only will help us more energy from morning to afternoon. So afternoon lunch means anyhow we are eating, but morning breakfast is very important to our body. Without eating breakfast, what will happen? When you go to school, you are writing and you are playing with your friends and suddenly you will fall. Somewhere you will faint and fall there on the playground. So like this, all these things happen, not only for children, for the young adults and all those who are fathers or mothers, anyhow they also. Unless if they won't eat the tummy full breakfast, so like this all things will happen. So to avoid all those things, we have to eat the breakfast full tummy, the stomach full of breakfast. Fruits, juices, bread jam, whatever you eat in the morning, so all the food items you have to eat the stomach full. And afternoon we have lunch. So anyhow we are having our lunch with rice and some fresh vegetables curries. Next, and the night, what we eat is called as dinner. So dinner we have with chapati, roti, or some little rice. So and the vegetable also, anyhow the vegetables also we used to take. So all these things, 3 things we have, 3 meals of the day. So how many times we used to eat daily? Only 3 times. So not in the irregular times, we should not eat like that. Whenever we want we will eat these meals? No. At a fixed time you must eat. So these 3 meals of the day we have. Now fresh and a few vegetables. So when we are eating the vegetables, some are raw vegetables. Some raw vegetables we can eat raw. Some vegetables are we have to eat cooked. Fruits means anyhow they are raw. We can eat like that only. Ripe fruits will be there and raw fruits will be there. So these fruits, raw fruits also we can have, and ripe fruits also we can. That is a different one. Fruits means okay. But vegetables means, while as vegetables, they have to be cooked. Because the raw vegetables we can't eat. But some vegetables we can eat raw. They are, for example, carrot. No need to cook and eat. The raw carrot also we can have. Carrot, radish, beetroot, and another one is cucumber, peas. So these are some of the vegetables that we can eat raw. The lady's finger, brinjal, potato, these we can't eat raw. We have to cook. So some of the vegetables we can cook and eat, and some vegetables we can eat raw. See children? So fruits, few vegetables such as peas, cucumber, radish, and another one is they can eat in raw. And some meat. What about the meat? Meat, eggs. Can we eat raw? No, can't eat. So they have to be cooked. So meat, eggs, pulses, and dal, rice. Rice also can we eat like that only? So no, we have to cook and we have to eat. So some of the vegetables and some of these food items, eggs, fish, meat, and rice, dal. So these are the food items that we have to cook and we have to eat along with the vegetables. Yes children. Another one more important. So these are the different kinds of food we have learnt here in the lesson. Now let us have a look on the balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? Let us have a look on the balanced diet. What do you mean by a balanced diet? Diet means what? Balanced, okay. Balanced, you leave it. First, what do you mean by diet? Diet means the kind of food we eat. Which kind of food we eat is called a diet. Diet means the food, the different kinds of food which we eat. That is called as diet. For example, some of them will say, if any modeling doing girls or anything, the young girls, what they used to say. So come and have this ice cream. Take your chocolates. So I'll give a box of chocolates. Will give means they will take only one small piece, one small bite they will use to take. Why you are not taking the full chocolate? Take it, no problem. Today is my birthday. You take it, please. Means then we'll say, no. I am on diet. I am doing diet. I am on diet. I won't eat all these things, because the diet means they are taking the less food, the kind of food. So they are divided into a small less kind of food they used to divide. So like that. That is called as a diet. So you should not be on the diet. You are young girls and young boys. You should not follow these all. So always the diet must be the proper thing. So the diet, because of diet only your body will become strong. So the proper diet you must take. I don't want this. I don't want this. You take this chocolate. No. You take this one. Miss. No. For everything you should not say no. No, mommy, I don't like this one. I don't like that one, mommy. So like that you should not say. Everything you have to take. Not in the huge amount, at least a little amount you have to take. So every food. So when we are eating the food items, the different kinds of food that we eat, it is called as a diet. And what do you mean by balanced diet? Yes, let us go to that balanced diet. Means in the previous we have discussed all the different kinds of food. So all these kinds of food you have to take, you have to follow in your diet. Means from the morning to up to the night, whatever food you eat, these all food items must come in your diet. Then only your balanced diet will be equal. If anything is imbalanced means, then immediately you may fall sick. So here children, when we eat the bodybuilding food, energy giving food and the protective food in the right amount, in the correct amount you should take all these things. It is called as a balanced diet. Such a diet keeps us fit and healthy. No diseases will come near you. No disease will attack your body. If suppose if it attack also, within 1 or 2 days it will run away. So here we can see the picture of a balanced diet. So energy giving food, this is the energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food, all this we have. So all the food items. So if you eat all these food items in a proper diet, that is called as a balanced diet, and it will keep us fit and healthy. So we have to follow the balanced diet. So all the food items must come in your diet. Now, healthy eating habits. Children, to become a good person or a good child, you have to follow some good healthy habits. Good eating healthy habits. When you are eating also, you have to follow some good habits. For example, first we will have some good points here. 8 points we have. Let us read this one. The first one is, wash your hands before the meals and after the meals. After the meals anyhow we will wash, but washing the hands before the meals is must and should. So if mother calls you, come, hey Ram, or anything, Ram will come and have your lunch, otherwise Ram come and have your breakfast, means immediately somewhere we will be sitting. It might have germs there. Yes mommy, I am coming, like that you should not go ran away to your mother and you go and sit on the dining table. So first you have to go near to the tap and you have to wash your hands properly with a soap. So anything you can use and you can wash your hands properly, and then you have to go to the dining table. So wash your hands before the meals and after the meals, compulsory. So second one is have your meals at a fixed time, not in the irregular times. So we are not the animals. Whenever we are feeling hungry, we go and have your grass. So one animal will be sitting there. It will follow all the three meals like human beings? No. So whenever she feels hungry, she will go and have the grass. So like that the animals will do. We are the human beings. We should not do like that. So we have to follow the correct time. Fixed time you should follow. Morning breakfast means 8:30 or 8 or 8:30. Afternoon lunch when we will eat 12 o'clock. You are the small children, so you have to have your lunch at 12 o'clock. Not more than that. 12 or 12:30. Maximum 12:30 or 12 you have to eat. And the evening night when we will eat the dinner 8:30 or 9. That's all. Not more than that. Not 10 o'clock. Not 11 o'clock. Afternoon lunch eat means 2 o'clock. Morning breakfast have means 10 o'clock. What is the timings? Like that if you eat means definitely you may fall sick. So you should not do like that. You have to have your meals at a fixed time, not in the irregular times. And another one is never skip your breakfast. Should never skip. Oh mummy, today my tummy is full, I don't want the breakfast today, I am not feeling hungry, I don't want mummy, like that you should not say. Hungry you will have, definitely you will have the hungry. So morning breakfast you should never skip. Regularly you must have the breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meals of the day. So morning breakfast if you won't eat means definitely you may fall. You may get, immediately you may fall somewhere, faint, you will get the faint and you will fall somewhere. So the morning breakfast you should never skip. You should never say to mummy, no mummy today I won't eat, like that you should not say. You have to eat the breakfast not full, otherwise at least a little fruit or milk compulsory you have to take in the breakfast. And the fourth one is eat a balanced diet. Always eat a balanced diet. Don't eat the junk food. So avoid the junk food and prefer to a healthy food. So always take a healthy food. Junk food, noodles, ice creams, chips, Lays, Kurkure, everything we will eat. So many toffees, chocolates, cool drinks. All these should not take. I am not saying to avoid all those things. You have to eat it. But in a month, in a weekly once, monthly twice. Like that if you eat means okay. But most of the time you are eating these, most of them you are preferring these junk food items to your body means you have been addicted to that again junk food. So then you will be fallen sick. So noodles also it's very dangerous one. You can't eat all the time. So any Maggi or Yippee we have, whatever it is available in the markets, you should not have all those things. Monthly once or twice, that is more than enough. So avoid the junk food, addict to the healthy food and prefer only the healthy food. Eat a proper balanced diet. When you are eating the food also, you have to eat clean and fresh fruit. The food must be very clean and fresh and covered. Uncovered food you should not eat. The roadside food we have. So when we go outside on the road, also there we can see so many shops who are giving the fast food centers or maybe the roadside food. That is uncovered. They are not taken the proper precautions. They did not wash the hands. They never wear the gloves to their hands. And the flies will be there. And when the vehicles will be going on, the more dust will go and fall on that food. So it is very, very unhealthy for you, for your health. So you just avoid it. So eat the fresh food, covered food, and you better to eat the home food, not the outside roadside food. So the roadside food you should not prefer, children. So you have to eat the healthy food, the mummy made, homemade food. That is good for you. And never waste food. Eat as much as you can eat. Suppose when you go to the marriages or weddings or functions or anywhere or parties, when you go outside, so they used to keep the catering, the servers, they used to keep more food for you. So for all of them they used to keep one plate like this. So if you go the small child also, for you also they used to keep like that. So we should not take that much of food. Why? Because that much of food you can't eat. So what we have to say? No uncle, so this much of food I don't want, only little food. Just keep them. So like that you have to take. After keeping this one, you are taking the full plate and a half plate you are eating, and the remaining half plate you used to throw. So that is very, very bad manners. So children, never waste the food. You know that how much the farmers they used to, how much they are doing that, how much work they have to do, how much, so they have to do a lot. So anyhow you are seeing in the movies also, so you can see how much they are, the farmers are, you can see in the newspapers, the TVs, programs. So the farmers only the main backbone of our country. So how much they are working hard to give a rice for us. So we should never waste the rice. You take how much rice, how much you can eat, that much only you have to eat, take in the plate and you have to eat. The remaining food you should not throw them. So drink clean water, boil all or filter it before drinking. So the boiled water you can drink, after that you can filter it. So the drinking water must be very clean water. So the dirty water you can't drink. So it may get fall sick for you. So you may get fall sick. So avoid the dirty water, drink the clean water, eat the fresh food, and brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and in the night. Now you are second standard, so you can do the brushing twice in a day. So in the morning when you woke up and when before going to bed, you have to brush your teeth. Unless you won't brush your teeth, the cavities will come to your teeth. So it will attack on your teeth. The after eating, the small particles, whatever the food particles will stuck into your teeth and it may cause diseases, germs for you. So to avoid all those things, you have to brush your teeth twice in a day. So brushing helps us to clean the bits of food stuck in the between the teeth. So these are the healthy eating habits we have. So if you follow all these good eating habits, so you never get fall sick and you will become a good child. So everybody will call you, oh yes, this is a good boy. So you have to follow all these healthy eating habits. So children, we have completed our second lesson, food for us. So I hope all of you understood the lesson and all of you practice reading also. So everybody must do the reading practice. All of you practice reading and you have to follow all these good eating habits. The different kinds of food you have to eat in your balanced diet. So all of you follow these good eating healthy habits. I hope all of you understood, children. Thank you.